The tech world is obsessed with bigger screens, foldable hinges, and massive tablets that try to be laptops. But while everyone was looking at the 13-inch monsters, Apple began working on something far more dangerous. A device that shouldn't exist according to market trends, yet it's the only device that power users actually crave. We are talking about the iPad Mini 8. Now, I know what you're thinking. We just got over the hump of the Mini 7, so why are the rumors already reaching a fever pitch? It's because the Mini 8 isn't just an incremental update. It is the realization of a decade-long dream, a pocketable powerhouse that finally stops compromising. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. Imagine a slab of glass that fits in one hand but possesses the raw, unbridled power of a desktop workstation. For years, the Mini was the neglected middle child of the iPad family. It was the device Apple updated when they felt like it, often leaving it with outdated displays and recycled processors. But something shifted in Cupertino. They realized that the Mini demographic isn't just casual readers. It's pilots, surgeons, elite gamers, and field engineers who need maximum power in a minimum footprint. The iPad Mini 8 is being engineered to be the special forces of the tablet world. Let's talk about the thing that has haunted the Mini for years, the display. We've dealt with 60 Hz refresh rates and the dreaded jelly scrolling for far too long. But the whispers coming out of the supply chain suggest a total revolution. We are looking at the jump to tandem OLED technology, the same mind-blowing tech found in the M4 iPad Pro. This isn't just about deeper blacks or better contrast. It's about a display that hits peak brightness levels that make outdoor use in direct sunlight feel like you're sitting in a dark room. Imagine a 1600 nit peak brightness on an 8.3-inch canvas. It changes the game for mobile photographers and HDR content junkies. But it's not just the panel, it's the fluid motion. The Mini 8 is finally poised to adopt ProMotion. For the uninitiated, moving from 60 Hz to 120 Hz on a screen this size feels like putting on glasses for the first time. Every swipe, every animation, and every stroke of the Apple Pencil becomes instantaneous. It removes the barrier between your finger and the UI. This is the primary reason people have stayed away from the Mini in the past, and with the 8, that barrier is being demolished. Under the hood, the Mini 8 is expected to skip the mid-tier chips and go straight for the juggernaut. We are talking about the M-series silicon, likely the M4 or even an M5 depending on the exact launch window. Why does a small tablet need an M-series chip? One word: intelligence. Apple is betting the entire future of the ecosystem on Apple Intelligence and local LLMs. To run these complex AI models on-device without draining the battery in 20 minutes, you need the neural engine of a god. The Mini 8 will be an AI-first device, capable of real-time video manipulation, instant language translation, and generative tasks that would make a MacBook Pro sweat. The design language is also seeing a refinement. We aren't expecting a radical shape change. The footprint is already perfect, but the materials are shifting. There are talks of a titanium frame to reduce weight even further while increasing structural integrity. If you thought the current Mini was light, wait until you hold a version that feels like it's made of nothing but air and